So guys, today it's gonna be a long tutorial. It's gonna show you how to make your own like good stack copy project. So like in any update, well, I'm gonna show you like 2023, like mid 23 and under, I guess. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this is like for under summer 2023. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So join my Discord. Go to verification channel. And press verify here. Scroll down. Gonna find asset repo Steamdb and download asset repo and extract it. This is all the manifests, so you need a Steam account with growth tag on it. Then press Windows R, paste in that command right there. Press OK. Log in with your account, and you'll see it's gonna be in Steam console. You must log into your Steam account with growth tag on it. Okay. So you'll see there's a whole bunch of updates. Press collect. Press view whole file right here, and then so you're gonna find the update you wanna do below summer. I wanna say below, let's say below summer splash. So I'm gonna be doing GT2. Okay, so open Steam console right here, paste in the downloaded underscore depot. So to copy it, you just wanna go to your update, see download underscore depot, and just copy it up to here, and just copy it, paste it into Steam console. And now you're gonna open your asset repo right here, this one. So yeah, okay, and then you're gonna open it like this. This is gonna pop up, and something else will pop up right here, and we're gonna just wait until this finished downloading. Because when that's finished, then you're gonna copy from here after that quotation mark up to here. So between these quotation marks, you're gonna copy. You can close Steam console, go to File Explorer, press up here, paste in the location, press enter, press Control A, and drag it into your asset repo like this. Now go here and wait for it to finish. So now when it's finished, it will say finish processing assets. And then you press export. Go to this. Press export, export all files. And just export it where you want to save the project. So I'm just going to save it here, select folder. And now it's going to start exporting. This might take a minute, so yeah. Okay, and that's going to say export complete. Right, this. And close out of that. Open File Explorer. Go to where you have it saved. So for example, hold on, okay. It's gonna find this here, okay. So you wanna go to where you saved the project. So for me, it'll be right here. You're gonna see Grid Attack, you're gonna open it, exported project, and then drag it out of the Grid Attack folder. I guess you're gonna delete Grid Attack folder, exported project. I'm gonna rename it to update. So for me, it'll be GT2. And then, so yeah, I'm gonna open Unity Hub. That's gonna remove fees. Press add project from disk, and find where you have it saved. So here, GTT, open folder, press open. And it's gonna come up with this. just open it with any Unity version. So I always do this version. Then change version. Press continue. Just wait for it to open. Okay, so now you're in here. Go console clear. You're gonna see a bunch of errors. That's fun now. It's whatever. Still gonna fix them. Alright, you're gonna see there's nothing here as well, but that's fine. We'll fix that later. So first, you go project settings. Shoot. Then you go to edit project settings. You can drag it. So let me show you. Okay, edit project settings. It's gonna come up here. You just wanna drag it up here, I guess. And then you go to audio tab. Disable this. Make sure this is 32. Okay, whatever. Okay. Alright, it's fine. Okay. I'm gonna go to player version. We're gonna make this 0.1. Project name, just put it your project, I guess. And these I'll start to make your project name, update, whatever. And default icon up here, make it get rid of logo, like this. Go to Windows tab, disable static and dynamic batching. High quality, you're gonna make a normal quality, both of them. Go to the Android tab here, and make this from gamma to linear. Press change. It would take a second. Oh, back when it's done. Normally by default it's already linear, so I don't know what's happened there. So yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna disable the static and dynamic batching. Turn off auto graphics API. Press on Vulkan, remove it. So just make sure it's open. It's only the only graphic API is OpenGLES3. And then low quality, make them both normal quality. Oh, scroll down, make minimum API level, make it Android 12.2. And scripting backend, make it IL2CPP. And then make this ARM64. And uncheck ARMv7. And then you're gonna find prefer external, make it automatic. And here you get all devices. Input. What's happened? Put input system package new. I don't know. I think my Astro is broken. I don't know why it's done all these weird settings. And I'm gonna turn on allow unsafe code. Android tab. Okay, yeah, it's fine now. Okay. And then you go to scene. Console clear. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to window. Package manager. Drag this up here. And then file, build settings. Drag it up here. Build settings, go to Android. Make run device all compatible. And now 32-bit, just keep it like that. Okay. And go to package manager. Go to Unity registry. Go to animation rigging, right, like this. Press install. Okay, once it's done importing, find Cinemachine. press on it, press install. Once it's imported, find input system, right? This, press install. Once it's finished, you're gonna want to find, make sure mathematics is installed, should be. And then I'm gonna find recorder, press install. And then you're gonna want to find text mesh pro like this, press install. And then you're gonna want to find Unity UI, make sure that's imported. Timeline, make sure that's imported. And then I'm gonna find XI Interaction Toolkit, press install. And on XI Interaction Toolkit, go to samples up here and press import in starter assets. So import starter assets. Once that's imported, go to XR plugin management, press install. And then you're gonna want to scroll up, find Oculus XR plugin, press install. Then open XR plugin, press install. Okay, and then and then go to in project. You're gonna see you're gonna have all of these. And then you're gonna go to Discord, go to fix packages. You're gonna import this. And wait, okay. Fix packages, go to Oculus integration. You're gonna press this link. Should bring you here. You're gonna press add to my assets, and then go to Steam plugin. Press this link, and add to my asset. And then you're gonna go to project, go to my assets in package manager. If they're not here, press this refresh button down here. And Oculus integration, press import, but do not import it yet. Okay, and then once that's done, you're gonna press all, but don't import. Uncheck audio manager, and then uncheck sample framework, and then press import. Okay, once that's imported, find Steam VR plugin, press import, press all, and then import. Now once that's imported, go to scene. Now I'm gonna see 6 errors. I'm gonna open plugins folder, wherever it is, here. I'm gonna hold down control, select Autodesk. Well, don't hold down control, just press Autodesk, and then hold down control, press Cinemachine, Clipper Library, Oculus Platform, Oculus VR, Over Photon, hold down Shift, press on Prefab, and then press Steam, all of these, and just rest of these, press delete, and then delete. And you press yes for these and other files that might be found later. Go to assets. I'm going to see if these errors. Just double click the error. Scroll down until you find this. line 72 up to line 89. Just delete it. Save. Close that. Close that. And now I'm gonna see you have loads of errors. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to fix these errors. Go to my Discord. What? Yeah, go to verification, verify, scroll down. Fixed packages. Find Prefab fix, download that. Photon fix, download that. Using the soft, download that. Back tracing, install that. A star pathfinding, install that. And then extract back tracing and neutral soft. And then find where you have them where you have it downloaded. For me, it's over here. And then I'm also gonna make a new one. Call it mesh speaker. And then go to your project. Import back tracing by just dragging the file into your assets. And then, okay. Just and import Newton soft by just dragging it in. A star pathfinding, drag it in. Press all. Press all and then import. And you also want to download this package in the fixed packages. And then you want to import Mesh Baker. Don't import it yet. You want to press all, uncheck docs, examples, and Oculus. Press import. And then Photon fix. Drag it in. Photon fix v2. Press all and import. Once it's imported, you want to import Unity SDK. Press all and import. Console clear. As you can see, you have like 2 errors left. Alright. Fix scripts for any other errors are in the Discord. In fix scripts. There's Playful Authenticator, Boinkit, Red Job, and all of these, okay. Playful Authenticator, you're going to download main Playful Auth. Double click the Playful Authenticator error, double click it. Find where you have the fix script. So, for me, main Playful Auth, right here. Just want to copy this whole thing and replace it in a save. Boinkit. You have to replace the Playful Authenticator script, even if you don't have an error on it. Boinkit, just same thing. Just replace the script of the fixed one. And now I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, now this is going to pop up. I'm going to press send. Let it do its thing. Press enable. Press show assets. Press cleanup. Press cleanup package. And press restart. Press delete new plugin. And now Unity is going to restart. Now I'll just let it restart. I'll be back when it's open again. Okay, now it's open. You just want to press OK. Then I'll close this. Press do not show again down here. Close that. And press clear on the console. Close that. Okay, and now it'll be here. Now go to project settings. Go to TextMesh Pro here. Press import TMP essentials. And press import TMP examples and extras. Boom, okay. I go to XR plugin management. Go to Windows icon. Press open XR. Press the Android tab. Press Oculus. Go to Oculus down here. On Android tab, make multi-view, multi-pass, turn on low overhead mode, and turn on Quest Pro and Quest 3. And Windows tab, make this multi-pass, open XR down here, make this multi-pass, press plus, you have a plus, press Valve Index, press plus again, Oculus, plus again, MetaQuest Touch Pro. Go to Android tab, go to multi-pass, and Oculus Touch and MetaQuest Touch Pro. Go to Audio tab, make sure these two are none and this is 32. Go to console and clear. As you can see, no more errors. Okay, now I can see there's absolutely nothing here. That is a simple fix. So, I'm gonna go to the scene folder and open a scene. And my project is cooked. I might need to restart my project. Okay, now I'm gonna have to restart apparently. Well, this is really weird. I don't know why this scene is called level 0. It shouldn't be. Oh, that's whatever. Okay. So now as you can see, everything here is good. Okay. But now, you're going to realize everything... We don't want it at nighttime. Well, you might, but sort of. If you're in daytime, I'm going to show you how. So first, we're going to fix this wind shader. So go to Discord, go scroll down, fix shaders, find wind shader, and download this. No, open it. Press Control A, Control C. Press on wind. Press edit on the shader. Press Control A, Control V, save. And boom, as you can see, it's fixed. Okay. And now we're gonna fix the map. It's really dark. Okay. So press on anything. Press. Well, actually no. You wanna import. Go to Discord. Go to Good a Day Now Lab. Unlit. Download this. Drag it into your project. Go to the material folder. Press Control A. And now unselect by holding down Control. Unselect the solid color materials. All the materials are like see-through in some places. So, and also all the fair ones. So just follow what I'm doing. And also all the crystal ones. And also the faces. And ice. Like the ice material, the hunt one, and like fur. Infected on it as well. the mirrors, fur again, and the skies. And shiny headless. Shiny headless, and then boom, okay. Press shader to right, press gorilla, and then reselect gorilla night loop on it. And don't unselect anything now. Go to light map 2, make it 3 p.m. Light map 1, make it 3 p.m. And as you can see, it's fixed. Or you can make it 10 a.m. which I prefer for like snow updates, I guess. But yeah, and now you can drag a shader into the shader folder. And now if you go to mountains, so there's one material I need to fix. You're gonna see the leaves are kind of messed up. So I'm gonna press on the leaves. Go to the material shader, make this standard. Turn on emission. Press on this texture right here. Drag it into color and emission. And as you can see, it's fixed. Okay. Now, I like to make an object, an empty, call it mods and reflections, like this. And here, create another empty, name it WSD, and right click on the empty again. Light reflection probe, you need to add a reflection probe. Make the box size, set really high for all of these. Press bake, and boom, okay. Then if you go to the golden helmet in city, the reflections are fixed. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to try to do credits. Okay, on the message over there, just do project made by whatever. So for me with that, and I have to put my Discord. Remove the script, and boom. Access some credits. Okay, and then I like to change the color depending on what update. Like so, just looks nice. Okay. Now my project isn't finished yet. In assets, search up Steam Manager. Double click the script to open it. And I'll find where it says application.quit and just delete it. Like so. Save. I got the bug fixes. Find hit sounds fix. Download this. Search up Gorilla Tagger. Open it. Find the hit sounds fix. Press Control A, Control C. Go back to the Gorilla Tagger. Press Windows V. Enable it. And then you're going to find scroll down to see left recall sweep. Highlight up to before it says if Gorilla Locomotion here. Copy it. Scroll down. Highlight here this last bracket before try to tag. Highlight up to where it says protected void data update. Press press Windows V and select Protected Void Data Update. This. Now scroll up until you find left recall sweep. Highlight up to before go to locomotion. Like if go to locomotion, Windows V, paste in the left recall sweep, and scroll to the top and delete process using valve.vr. And save. Now you might get an error or two. This error. Just make a new line, call it public string loaded device name. Save, close. And then as you can see, the error should be fixed. Yep. Now you're gonna find the vreg script right here. Delete if it says using valve.vr. Yeah, just delete that using valve.vr. And then it's gonna give you more errors. Just delete the lines that give you errors. And it should fix it. That's the fix building. Okay, and then any assets, search up Gorilla Computer. Don't worry about my dog in the background. Okay, Gorilla Computer, press Control F. The hell? That's weird, okay. But yeah, just click anywhere, press Control F. Search up process name state. Hold down Control, select process name state. And case center, go to Discord, bug fixes, find private codes and name fix. Go to computer here, case center, up to break here. Just copy that. Case center, up to break here. Control V. And then this one, fix code. Copy that. Scroll down, process room state, case center, up to break, Control V, Control S, can close. Go back to the project. And here it's fixed, okay. So now, that's like scripts fixed. Now I'm gonna fix reg, voice chat, and infinite loading. So go to play our VR controller, missing script, press on this circle thing. Search up XR rig, press this little eyeball here. XR rig. Drop down play our VR controller, go to player, turn parent, drag and go to player into camera floor offset. Camera is main camera. Tracking mode is floor. XR interaction tool. XR interaction manager. Make this add the XR interaction manager script, press the eyeball, XR interaction manager, go to player. Here, search out locomotion system. Check the little thing again. Locomotion system. XR origin here. Make it a player VR controller. And go to the main camera. Here. Search up tracked pose driver. And select the second one. Press on left hand controller and right hand controller. In this first one, search up XR controller. And the first one. And the second one, add XR direct interactor.
The time is 10:28 a.m.
The fuck? Okay. Add the XR direct interactor. Interaction manager here. Select XR interaction manager. On this last one, search up XR interactor line visual. Select this first one. And here, press on left hand controller. On XR controller device space script, controller node. Make it left hand. And boom. Again, save. Drop down global. Third person camera. Shoulder camera. Disable it. And then go to go to drop down Photo Manager, go to OCSVR, turn it on. This script, add OVR Manager, and turn on the script. And then Photo Manager, remove these two scripts on this missing script here. Add the photon stats GUI right here. Keep it turned off. Boom. Drop down local VR rig. Now drop down Halloween Ghost, floating chase skeleton. On this one, add a photon view. Press Control A, Control C. Photon view. Make it auto find all. And then paste in photon view again. Photon transform view. And then turn on use local. Boom. Okay. And drop down hit targets. Select these. Remove this piece of script. Add component. Add photon view. And drop down local VR rig. Actual gorilla, you can delete that if you have local gorilla player. Turn on the animator. On this top missing script, add a bone renderer. Like this. On the second missing script, add a rig builder. Turn on rig builder. Boom. And then go to VR constraints, missing script. Make it rig. Like this. Head constraint. If it's all the way up here, just make the position 0, 0, 0. In this missing script, add a multi-parent. Press a little eyeball thing. Multi-parent constraint. Now, maintain offset, make it position, and then turn on all of these. Source objects, drag and head constraint into source objects here. Constrained objects, drop down reg and body, drag and head to constrained object. Drop down left arm, okay. Drop down left arm, then left arm, okay. Same with right arm, okay. Select left arm, okay, and right arm, okay. This is a script. The 2 bone, okay. 2 bone, okay constraint. Make maintain target position. All of these three, just drag the sliders all the way up. On left arm, okay, drag this target wrist into target. Under left arm, okay, target wrist into target, yeah. Shoulder L, upper arm L, forearm L. Drag and handle to tip. Drag and forearm L into mid. And upper arm L into root. Drop down shoulder R, upper arm R, and forearm R. Go to right arm key, target wrist. Drag it in here. Into target. And now hand R into tip. Forearm R into mid. And upper arm R into root. Now you can just close up all of this. Press on local gorilla player. On rig builder, make this rig VR constraints. Okay, and save. And any assets, search up gorilla prefabs. Why is there no gorilla prefabs? Oh my. What the fuck? I have to restart the project. Yeah, literally everything is missing. Wait, you don't have to restart, it's just me, because my asset ripper just getting messed up. Yeah. I'll be back once I've re-ripped it. Just to say you don't have to restart, it's just me. Okay, so back where we were. Okay. I just remade the project. Okay, so now We're gonna search up Gorilla Player Scoreboard line. Open the script. Gonna scroll down until you see my recorder equals photonetwork controller.instance.get component recorder. Before get component and after instance and a dot. So right here, you're gonna type photon like that, and voice with a capital V, object with a capital O, and prefab with a capital P, and then a dot. Save. Close. And as you can see, console. Should have no errors, okay. And now we're gonna search up Gorilla Prefabs. I spelled that completely wrong. See, now I have it. Gorilla Prefabs folder. Open Gorilla Battle Manager first. This was a script. Paste in Photon View. Type Photon View, copy it. Put it in Photon View, drop down Photon View, make it reliable data compressed, and auto find all. Go to Hunt Manager. Again, just paste in Photon View. Go in Photon View. Auto find all, reliable delta compressed. Gorilla Player Network. Turn on the animator. This top script. And a bone renderer. Like so. This next one. Add a rig builder. Like so. Turn on the rig builder. This one. Add a Photon View. Make it auto find all and reliable data compressed. This next one. Photon Voice View. Turn on your primary recorder. This bottom one. Add another Photon View. Just make it auto find all. Don't worry about. Yeah. And then just want to drill down all of these. Just close these up. So then you can just see all of this. Okay. And in the hierarchy, I'm gonna search up speaker head collider like this. Make spatial blend 0.4 on the audio source. This missing script. Add a speaker. Press on Gorilla Player Network. On the Photon Voice View, speaker menus. Make a speaker head collider. VR constraints. Again, just add a rig. Head constraint. Make a position 0, 0, 0. This is in the head. And add a multi-parent constraint script. And make this position. And turn all of these on. Source objects, just drag in head constraint. And drag in head. And then on left arm key and right arm key, add a 2 bone key constraint object, main script, not object. Maintain target, make a position, and just drag the sliders all the way up. On left arm key, drag this target rest into target, handle into tip, forearm L into mid, and upper arm L into root. And then press on right arm key, dragging target rest into target, hand R into tip, forearm R into mid, and upper arm R into root. And then you can close up all of these. Press on Gorilla Player Network. On the rig builder, rig, make it VR constraints. Go to Tag Manager. This is script. Photon View. Make it auto find all and reliable data compressed. And Photon Voice Prefab. Search up Photon Voice Network script. Press OK. And on this other one, add a recorder. Like so, dragging the recorder into a primary recorder on the Photon Voice Network script. On the recorder, turn on transmit enabled and detect. Go back to scenes up here. Press save. Go to console and clear. Drag in Photon Voice Prefab, just drag it into the hierarchy like this. Drag it up to the top, drag down global. Go to Photon Manager, Photon Voice Prefab. On Photon Network Controller script, drag it into Photon Voice Object Prefab like here. Like so. And boom. and save. And now, you can do this if you want. Just import WSD. Makes life a lot easier. WSD player. Like so. So to compile. And in monitor reflections, WSD. Drag on WSD player. On griddle player, make it griddle player. Camera transform. Make it main camera. On rotation speed, let's make it 0.05. And console clear. Next, I'm gonna go to Discord. Find bug fixes. Server-side cosmetics. Unity method. You're gonna import a script I'm about to send. Yeah, just import that script. Server-sided. This is for server-sided cosmetics in your project. Shut down player VR controller, go to Gridle player. Check on the server-sided script. On VR rig, make a local Gridle player. And then any assets such as Gorilla, Prefabs, go to Gridle player networks. On Gridle player networks, check on the server-sided script again. Server-sided VR rig, make a Gridle player networks. Go to back to scenes. On the server-sided, drag it into a scripts folder. Open a scripts folder, drag this into assembly C# folder. Like so. Select compile. And boom, that's the project done. Pretty working. Server-side cosmetics. And yeah, okay. So now I'm gonna show you how servers work. Just change your Prefab authenticator script. Like put in your Prefab title ID and photon. As you can see, his sounds work. Snowballs. I'm gonna try and fix after this video. As you can see, join the lobby. Leaderboard should work. Voice chat works. Let me in stump. Oh my days, okay. Grab your left hand controller. I was going to show you how cosmetics work. I was going to put on a random hat. Let's just say the rain hat. Yellow rain hat. As you can see. Face cosmetics. Badges. Gonna put on an admin badge. Holdables. Put on mod state. Oop. Boom. You can see the holdables work if I can find it. Yeah. Just that my hands are messed up right now. Just gonna show you compressor buttons. Can't rotate my hand, it's gotta. Bruh. Let me just find a finger real quick. This is so annoying. God damn. All my days. Why is because it's out? I'm dumb. Bruh, okay. If finger colliders don't work, then I'll show you how to fix. Let me just make sure I. Because sometimes finger colliders like to be weird. Okay, yeah, it's being weird, okay. To fix it, easy. Press on the left hand trigger collider. Transform to follow, just press on it. Left hand trigger collider, just drag it into object. It's trying to follow. So for example, right there. Right hand trigger collider, just do the same. So F index 3. And if I press play, it should indeed work. Just gonna mute this. As you can see, finger colliders finally work. Let's turn a private code. Like so. Boom, private codes work. Boom. Name changing works. Let's Can't be asked. Just gonna move my player. You. No. D. Oh yeah, to fix that. Okay. To fix name changing. Jordan Global. Photo Manager. Gorilla Computer. Offline VR name. Jordan Local Gorilla Player. Name tag anchor. Name tag canvas. Drag the text into offline VR name. And then test click. It works now. Boom. Let's do that. Do the same thing. So press on Gorilla Computer. Drag text into offline VR. Boom. So yeah. Clowns works. Everything should work. So yeah. That's how you make a Gorilla Coffee project. Yeah. Join Discord for everything you need. And yeah, see ya.